Indiana Picker here. Hi. And no, I do not pick corn. I have decided to go into business because I have really bad anxiety and depression. And being around people is just not healthy for me. And I've been scared a lot about taking what little money I have and starting this business. And I just started 2 weeks ago, and I've gotten 10 orders so far. I haven't gotten no reviews, but I guess no news is good news, right? Is what they say. But I'm getting ready to go ship out my latest order, which is a pair of boots. And yes, as you can see, I made my own box because paying for shipping, the less weight you have, the better. And if you get it close enough to where the box is, it's inside protecting it, it's the less wiggle room that the mail carriers could damage your item, in my opinion. I have no idea, but that's just what I believe. I have joined many groups, and I've left many groups. I joined, for instance, Bolo Buddies. And let me tell you, I thought I would be learning about items that people find and resell for profit, which was my whole point of joining the group. But there were so many new resellers like me that get on there, show pictures of what they have, and then not ask how they can find, how to look up, how to find prices and all this. They just want people to tell them what to price it, what to do with it. And I watched a lot of Harry Tornado. Sorry if I messed that up. And he is a very good teaching platform. Or he used to be. I know that he has to change. But he does do a lot of going out there and finding products and showing you real prices and how to shop, what to look for. And it's not that you should just go by what he buys. It's finding your own niche and learning from watching these YouTubers, which is how I got most of my information. And I want to thank everyone that came before me they had to start without YouTube tutorials. And I, for one, am grateful because I do not have to sit here and go blindly. I watched YouTubes for over a year and a half, trying to get up my courage to start this business, to start making my own money, making my own way, not working for a big corporation who gives little care about their employees and taking more of the money. This is, many people's like, yeah, we need more money. Yeah. But on the same token, these big corporations, they're not going to eat that money. And we see it today. I used to work at a place called McDonald's. And the manager actually went and broke down how much a Big Mac cost at that time to make. That it cost the restaurant. And let me tell you, the price that they pay and the price that they charge are two different things. And they have to consider what they pay their employees, how much shipping and health benefits, and the cost of the building, the taxes, and all this other things that go into running a business. And as an accountant, I know that money is not going to be, like they say, crap goes downhill. And, well, that's how corporations feel about paying more money to their employees. Is if they have to pay more, the customer's going to have to pay more because they're not going to eat that cost. Their lifestyles, they don't want to take that brunt and say, you know what, I can do without the new luxury car that I want to buy. No, they're not going to do that. If anything, well, it'll give me an excuse to why all the prices go up. Nothing is free. And if the corporations don't get you, it's the government. But that's just my take on it all. And so I'm going to, hopefully you'll join me into my little adventures. Like I said, this is my first one, and hopefully as I go along, I get more comfortable with talking to you guys, and I am doing better with the videos and not rambling. And yes, I know my voice. I have a speech impairment, and you know, I already know I'm overweight. And so when I know that when I put myself into this kind of situation, I'm going to have rude comments. I'm going to have people who like to hide behind a keyboard, and at least I'm trying. And so that is all. Join me next time. Goodbye.